What's up, everybody? So today we are doing the whole F-15 line. Some planes I don't have, like the F-4C, but thank God I don't have that one. That one sucks. So I'm gonna substitute it for the F-4E, and yeah. So like the F-86, this one, but I'm just do this one instead. So let's get into it. So what's good, everybody? Actually, I'm gonna time how long this takes me. I just want to know. So I'm recording this at 2:23. I want to see what time it would be when I'm done. I haven't played this, the P30. Wait, what is this? P36. Yeah, I haven't played the P36 in. Oh wow. Of course. Yeah, I haven't played the P36 in ages, bro. I legit like. Sometimes I need to return back to low tier. Cause it's sometimes so much better than top tier. But yeah. All right, we got some bogeys coming towards us. That guy just took out this PBY over here. So I know he's like what, a level 100. What is I first killed this guy stalling himself out for no reason. He didn't have to do that. Oh, my aim is atrocious. My aim is atrocious. I tried to get him right there, but okay. Let me lock in right quick. Let me lock in. Hey, close your eyes. Oh, actually, never mind. Got a severe on him. I got a severe, so that should legit just be my kill. What's going on? Okay. What? Yo, I cannot aim these guns. Okay, I got a severe on him. He's gonna crash anyway. What? What? Yo, I swear, what is going on with my... Is it compressing? I don't even know what it's doing. I haven't played this in a while, bro. Oh, one kill. Let me get this second kill. Is this the same guy I killed earlier? I got a hit. Oh my goodness, who's shooting at me? Okay. I already got the kill, so it doesn't even really matter. Oh! Kamikaze. Oh, nope, that doesn't work. GG's, bruh. On to the next plane. Oh my, what is he doing? What is going on? Okay, I just started recording, bro. He needs to chill out. Move out the way. Alright, so now we have the P... Yo, what is he doing? Okay, we have the P36C. I legit don't know the difference between this one and the other two. What? Yo, we just took off. Why are they already trying to team kill? Alright. But anyway, yeah, I don't get the difference between this one or the other two. But I guess it just has another paint scheme or something. I don't know. Oh, I know the difference. It has like more 7.7 bullets. Of course. Why? Yo, this is one BR 1.7. Isn't he reserved? Okay. Anyway. All right. So we got some people down here. I don't know what they were doing up there, but my teammates killed someone. Like on the same. I hate. Like, what is up with people? And they're all like. I checked mid recording. They're all like under level 10. Well, like most of them. Like, yo, and the roll rate on this thing sucks. Like, it's worse than I remember. Actually, I thought this thing was like moving back then. Actually, it's actually worse than I remember. Hey, but we up though. We got a hit. Is he gonna realize someone's shooting at him, or is he just gonna be sitting there stupid? This thing is so hard to control for no reason, bro. Oh, severe! Oh, pull up, no! Oh my goodness! Thank the Lord. I got a severe, so that should just be my kill. Okay, that's my kill. Kill number 2? Nope. Cause I whiff. I whiff. That's all I do. That's what I'm known for. Oh shoot. They call me the whiff master because I can't hit my shots. I took bro. See, who is this shooting? Okay, head on. I don't even know who's shooting at me, bro. And I'm out of 12.7. 12. Okay, who? What? I'm just turning. Who's even shooting? Oh, this guy's shooting. And, what? He took my wing clean off. Oh no. Oh, I got a severe on someone though, so that's great. Man, okay, so I just found out the difference. Maybe I'm just slow, but they're different P36 because they just add more 7.7s in the guns. Like what? Like the shells? I mean, there's no really like flight model difference. It's just more bullets. And I hate how, I mean, it makes more sense, but like the maps are bigger the higher BR you go. But this is ridiculous. Like we're just up like 3, I think. But hey, it is what it is. I haven't seen a single person yet. Some guy in the the chat is ranting about how some guy killed him in their whole entire team. But sorry though. I was gonna say, what's he? Oh, I hated the P38s. I mean, they're good, but I just like I don't know why I hated them. I just did. All right, so these guys up. I should have climbed more, but it's whatever. These guys up here. Man, I wish I didn't suck at aiming, bro. Oh. I'm not gonna count that as my kill. Crit. I'm not gonna get that kill, so I'm just grab this key right here. They turn. That's the one thing I hate. Oh my goodness. Who is that behind? Oh shoot. Oh no! Wait, hold on. I got this. I got this. I can totally get out of this. No, no, I can't actually. I got one kill though. All right. This is something totally different, but like, how do you guys like? What can I improve on my videos? You know, I'm just gonna rant. What can I legit improve? Cause I kind of just want to get better. Cause I legit do YouTube for fun. Cause I kind of like it. So it's whatever though. Can we just talk about how the P40 looks so good? Like, just look at this thing. And clean up on all my pants. It looks so nice. Oh my goodness. Wait, hold on, what's that? Oh, ME410. Spitfire. I'm gonna go for this one. No one else is around. C202. I don't think he's coming for me. Okay. I got the tracer belt on. Okay, yeah, he's not going for me. The Spitfire, he's going for that guy. He's going away. Yeah, I think I can put my attention all up on him. And what is he doing? He's turning towards me. Okay, that's such a bad idea to do, but it's whatever. What? Why would he do that? To run away. Okay, I see. He's trying to run away, but it's okay. Oh wait, no. Does he get a rear-facing camera? I said camera. I meant gun. If only I didn't. Okay, I got a hit. Oh shoot! I hear someone. Oh, see. Oh, that Spitfire came up. That was him. Okay, I got more energy, so I can probably just. Oh no, that Yak 9. Okay. Come on, yeah, key 44, help me. What did he do? Yo, what did he come down here to do exactly, bro? Oh wait, no, actually, I'm chill, bro. It's the one with the oh yeah, it's that one. I have that one. That one sucks. Okay, I can just go up. Oh, actually, no, I can't. He's probably like a level 2 premium. Okay, let me cool down my engines a bit. I could probably just turn around on this Yak 9. Why'd I say Yak so aggressively? Oh, I keep getting your hits, bro. I suck. Oh no, that key 44. No. That's totally my fault, because I suck so badly. I got a hit. I don't know if that was a good one. That BF-110. Is that a BF-110 I just saw? Yeah, he's coming for me. Okay, I'm just trying to hit him with the old fake one. I hate how... Oh, no! Okay, I'm just go head on with this BF-110. Oh, he took my wing off! Come on, please go down. Please go down. Oh, okay. Yo, please, wait, actually, please go down. Yeah, he's not going down. Okay. Actually, I got him, guys. I got him. I got him. On to the next plane. Believe it or not, I've never played this plane before. Like, this is actually my second time playing this. I'm not even... Like, I don't know why, but when I was, like, first starting to play War Thunder, I used to always put these goofy, like, face decals on my planes for no reason at all. Like, it was so dumb. I mean, cause I used to think it like looked nice, but like now I look back on it. What's he doing? He just doesn't. Wow, he's just giving me his 6. Who does that? Yo, this plane is actually really nice. I should have played it more. Okay, please run up before I like get killed. Oh, he put it out. Yo, come on, what? That should have at least been like a... Okay, now... Oh, I got him. I got him. Let me return back to base. I'll be back with you guys. I was AFK because I had to do some. And, yeah, but anyway. Did you guys see Trepka's face reveal? He's a good looking guy. I'm actually kind of jealous. I mean, I didn't even watch the live stream because I saw his latest video, right? And he was like, "Oh, we'll do a live stream when I'm at like 9,999 or something like that." And I was like, "Oh, bet." But then, I go to sleep, right? And I wake up. He live streamed for 3 hours, and I'm like, "Yo, I missed it." I'm like, man, I really went to sleep, and I could have. And the part about it wasn't like, oh, he showed his face like 3 hours in, right? What? Why did he just disappear? Okay, got him. It's not like he showed his face like 3 hours in. He showed his face 4 minutes in. I could have been there. Oh shoot. How? Yo, I'm cooked. Oh wait, hold on. Oh, he turned off. He turned off. Why did he do that? Yo, now I'm just gonna come on him. I mean, uh, now now I'm just gonna like shoot him. That's what I meant. Yeah, I don't know why he thought I was dead or something. Like what? No signs out unless he like ran out of bullets. Okay, where is he? Okay, he's gonna go head on with the F8F. Think that's the last guy. Let me check my surroundings. Let me check this. No, but it's close. Okay. Oh, it's a Focke-Wulf over there. See, the things about Focke-Wulf is they turn slow, but their roll rate is so good, bro. Come on. I don't know why. I did that way too early. And I turned back. Why did I do that? Yo, that's actually my fault. Why did I do that? That was so stupid. GG's, bro. Hello, what's up, guys? So I'm not going to play like I already played this one right here. I'm not going to play these because they're legit all the same plane at a different BR. So I'm just going to go straight down to the P51 D30. So let's get it. Got a Focke-Wulf 190 down here. I don't know how I get it. I didn't get a single hit, but it's okay. Oh, come on. I-225. Oh. Come on, I'm trying to shoot him. I'm trying to, yo. Come on, just give me a fire. Just give me a lucky shot, please. Got him. That's how you know how formidable the P51 is, bro. I'm injured and I still outturned him. Is there like a plural, noun for outturned? Cause that just sounds so wrong to say. Oh, wow, I outturned him. That just does not sound right to say. Alright, I'm gonna get back to you guys when I go back and land. Alright, so we're in the P51H now. Let's have a better game than the last. I sold that game so hard. Yo, I could have been an asset, but I sold it so hard, bro. And oh, I got a hit. Okay, wow. Okay, that hit meant nothing apparently, cause I didn't even get a assist. Like War Thunder is literally about nothing, bro. Why do I even play this game? I legit like every time I hit something, it's either nothing or like I don't even at least get an assist. And then like watch this Spitfire should just come and take the kill. Oh no, he's not. Okay. Okay. Like look, that should watch. That should be a severe, right? No, the Spitfire is gonna take the kill. Like just go down, bro. Like I just set him on fire 2 times and that's still not a severe damage. Okay, now okay. Now okay, I'm happy now. Alright, so let me get back up to altitude. Wait, does that F-80 not know like he's goated? What is he doing? Well, at least he's distracting them. So I can actually get up to altitude. This thing is like I remember when I first got this plane and I used to watch like as soon as I get like new planes, I watch like tutorials and stuff. Like I got this plane in like 2023, like like October, and I watched Defin play this, and he like yeah, it was actually so awesome. Or Jube, I don't know if you guys know who that is. Okay, BF-109G. Oh. Hit him on his severe. Oh, his ring is off. See, I never doubted you. P-51's so great. I love War Thunder. All right, so can we just talk about how goated I am? Like man. Anyway, so I think that's the last guy. No, it's one more. I think it's the JU-188 over here. Kind of legit just stalling. But since their eyes are on him, this BF-109. Oh wait. Oh, pilot snipe. Last person. See, because tonight will be the night that I will fall for you. Alright, I should actually stop. I don't know if that game, like, the song's, like, copyrighted or not. It probably is, though. Crazy story. I got copyrighted 2 times. Like, if you guys scroll down through my YouTube videos, I have, like, these Roblox YouTube videos. It's like, I copyrighted so much. It's actually crazy. Hold on. But yeah. I was... He goes on crash. Got him. This is my first time flying this. So I'm actually so happy I got that guy. Oh shoot. Oh! How did he miss that? I don't know. Severe damage. Okay. Gonna crash. What did I hit? I swear, 50 cals and jets are much easier to hit than like in planes for some reason. I already got the severe, so that's just basically mine. I already got a kill, so I don't even care. What's that shooting? Okay, I was gonna say. Some guy in the chat was talking about how he's gonna crash out. Like, first of all, dog, I know for a fact that dude is not gonna do anything, bro. Like, crashing out, yo, in 2025? Oh. Oh my! Yo, I did not expect him to go around the corner like that. What? Hey, I still got 2 kills, though. I don't care. Man. Alright, so we're in the F86. Yeah. Yeah, that's what it's called. And, this thing climbs surprisingly well. Like, when I first played this, I was like, oh, this thing isn't gonna climb well. And I was like, whoa, this thing climbs well. So, I mean, yeah, it surprised me. And it, like, I don't know what people were talking about. I guess it was just a player probably, but the amount of kills I have on the MiG-15, bro. See, Gregory is. Alright. 2-4? More like 2 Anyway. G91, MiG-15, MiG-15, MiG. Let's see if I can just take out this. Let's see if I can take out this TU-4. Oh, the 20 mils. Watch I get killed, bro. No. Oh, he's spraying them too. Alright. I didn't. Yeah, it didn't hit my engine, I don't think. Yeah, it didn't. Okay, so we chilling. I think I can just spin back. See my situation. I just need 1 kill. I think I got this. It got 20 millimeters, bro. Oh my goodness! Did he get his bombs off at least? Yes! Oh! Man. That's why I love, like, I know they're probably not a difference, but that's why I love 50 cals in the jet age, bro. Like, Vietnam, because I swear, people downplay them because they're not cannons, but they still hit hard sometimes. Alright. Oh wait, hold on, I did not mean to do that. Oh, F8F. The F8F is literally not bad, bro. That's a... Okay, good thing for breaking off, bro. I would probably would have stuck to the fight, but I'm just slow, so I would have definitely got killed. Oh yeah, I used to get copyrighted so much though. one more copyright, and I think I'm cooked. Actually, I don't know how many copyrights you can get, but I didn't. What was that? I did not understand like the copyright system back then, bro. I thought I just could take a thumbnail or something off the internet and just use it in my video without any repercussions. I got a hit. It's I got a kill. What? He went straight up, bro. When I oh, a MiG 9. Oh wait, hold on. I'm not even looking. That's a F. That's a wait. Okay, I can't do that. I don't know what I'm doing, bro. It'd be funny if I could just catch up to him and just jump scare him. Hold on. Let me fast forward right quick. Let me fast forward. All right, what's up, guys? Okay, we got the F100 now. Actually, I love the F100 because it just looks so awesome. And I'm actually so glad we're off of the subsonic ones. Because the games were taking way too long. I don't even know how long this video will be. But hey, we up though. The background music, I love the background music of War Thunder. Oh, okay, actually, who thought it was a good idea to not put like wait, countermeasures on any of the planes or like low tier and like the USA? I feel like that was just dumb to do, bro. Now I'm speaking in War Thunder, talking about in the low tier. Like, what am I even talking about? Come on, yeah, because AIM 9Bs are of course useless, bro. Oh, severe. Hey, I still got that kill. I don't care. FAU2. Ooh. Nah, I should have gone for them. Oh. SC-25. I know he has something. No. I got one kill though. And we're in the F4E. Now this thing is bone stock dry. I legit only like I grinded it just for this video, and I completely forgot about it because I was setting up my sim controls. Hey, but that's my fault, OG. We up though. I'm pretty sure I can still get some. This is my first time actually playing this. I actually never played this before. What? Yeah, but I never played this one before, so let's just see how it goes. I think someone's over there. I'm not sure though. I'm gonna go for this tornado. Not sure if he's looking or not. Oh my, that scared me. Oh! Exploded! Mind you, this is my first time playing this, and I'm already liking it. All right. And okay, someone has to agree with me on this one. I'm pretty sure there would be no objections, but the F4E is the best looking F4, bro. Like it's just so nice looking. Yeah, but I just get quiet when I'm locked in. Hold on. And oh, I thought that missile was gonna hit me. I'm gonna like, yo, come on now. So now we're down to the F-15s. Alright, what's up, everybody? So now we're in the F-15E. I said E, A. Now we're in the F-15A. Like the F-15A just looks so good, bro. Like any F-15 just looks good, bro. I wish this thing came with like AMRAMs, bro. And the AIM-9Ms, I mean, they just don't work for some reason. Probably just like me. They just do not work at all. It's like, bruh. But it is the second to last on, like, it's the fighter line, so the second fighter line, I should say. I don't know why. Now I think about it. While I was playing I didn't even think about it while I was playing the F4E. But why didn't they just add the F4E to the naval line, or am I missing something? What is this? What? That's where F4S's be doing anything but actually playing the game, bro. They're always team killing. Hold on, let me give him a little jump scare. Oh, this one time I beat like an F15E in this plane. So it was great. Not the F4S, in the F15A. But he was probably new to the plane, so he didn't probably like knew what it did. Gotta watch out for F14s, bro. That was AIM-54s. Man, okay, hold on. F18, that's either an AV-8B or an F20. If it's an F20 or an AV, ooh, that's not nice. See, wait, bro, do you see what I'm talking about? Like, dude. What? Okay, I think that gotta hit. Never mind, it's not gonna hit. Oh, never mind. Sorry for ever doubting you. Never mind. Never mind. Oh. I don't know who hit me. But that hurt. Whoever did that hurt. I hope they know that. Alright, let me go back to base before someone else kills me. I'll be back. And last but not least, got the F-15C. Bar. Yep, let's get into it. What's good, guys? I love the F-14s, bro. I love the F-14s, bro. Why did I say that? I love the F-15s, bro. like they're so like fast. I mean, I love the F-14s too. Like they're my favorite like airplane. They just look so they look so good, but the F-15 does too. And the head-up display looks so nice. Oh wait, that's actually nice. I didn't even notice it did that. Oh, this looks nice too. I wish the gun camera actually worked though. Like not this, but when you like kill someone, it kind of just saves to like the cloud or something. I feel like that would be awesome. Looks like we got a down tier, I would say. Like a mix for sure. SU-27 SM. I think that's like 13.3. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that F-15 just picked them up too. SU. Oh, someone already got him. Shucks, bro. Shucks. I don't know when I started saying shucks. Okay, lunch. Let me hightail it out of here. Yo, okay. Oh, that's a guaranteed kill right there. There he goes. Kill right there. Oh shoot. Whoa! Where did that come from? Ah, I got 3 kills though. And that was reserved to top tier everybody.